Hey guys, how to install cell permit in JRC ECDIS. So let's see. So now I'm going to install the cell permit for this area. If I zoom in, here you see there is no permit here. So I'm going to install the permit. So at first you copy the cell permit in a pen drive, then you insert the pen drive in ECDIS. I have copied the cell permit in the pen drive. So after inserting pen drive in ECDIS, you click on menu, then you click on here, then you click on here. Here you input the code. After inputting the code, you click on enter. Then here you click on chart maintenance. Okay, after that here you click on import/update license file. Here you click on ENC. From here you click on browse and select the file where you have copied the cell permit. I have copied the cell permit in ABCS week 08 file. Double click on the file, then double click in permit, then double click in fold. And now I'm going to install the cell permit in master ECDIS, so I'm selecting master. If you install the cell permit in backup ECDIS, you select the backup. So here I'm selecting master, then you click on OK. After that you click on automatically. Here you see what is written, import of cell permit file completed. Okay. Now you go back, then you click on import/update charts. Here you click on ENC, then you click on browse, then you select the file where you have copied the cell permit. Just select the file and click on OK. Then you click on automatically. Here you click on all. Okay, done. Then you go back, then you click on here, then here you click on this option, route planning, route monitoring ECDIS. Now I am going to check the depth and other information. Here you see depth and other information showing. Okay, I have installed the cell permit for this area. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method you can install cell permit in JRC ECDIS. Thank you.